Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Festival of Colors is just around the corner, and this being my first Holi after marriage, I am super excited. We made gujiyas at home for Holi and it turned out super yummy, so I thought I'd share the recipe with you guys as well. So let's begin. We'll start by making the dough. For that you will need 2 cups of maida, pinch of salt and 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Rub the maida and ghee together in such a way that we get a sand-like texture. Add water as and when required. At this point, you can even add any food coloring or any flavored water, for example, rose water. I, on the other hand, have kept it very simple, a very basic and classic recipe. Let the dough rest for about 1 or 2 hours. Resting the dough is a very important process while making the gujiyas. While the dough is resting, we will start making the filling for our gujiyas. We will ghee roast almonds, cashews and pistachios. Once they are rested, we will roughly chop them. Next, let's add 1 cup of mawa. We will saute this on low flame. If you find excess ghee oozing out of the mawa, you will have to remove it and you'll have to saute it till you get a nice golden brown texture. This is the color that we want. Now we will keep this aside. Next, we'll add about half a cup of dry coconut. Next up, in a little ghee, we will add about half cup of rava and saute it till we get a nice golden brown color. Our filling is almost ready. We will add rava, mawa, dry coconut and roasted dry fruits. Before adding sugar, we will make sure our mixture is completely cooled down. The gujia mixture needs to be dry, and if we add sugar while the mixture is hot, the sugar will melt and it will become sticky. I added about half cup of sugar, powdered sugar. If you can add more if you like it very sweet. This is the minimum amount of sugar that is required to make gujias. So I've let the dough rest for about 2 hours. So now let's roll out our dough. I have taken the help of a round cutter to help me get a good shape. Once you're happy with the shape of the dough, add the filling inside and seal it. Make sure the filling does not stick to the edges of the dough, otherwise it will become very difficult to seal it. Now with the help of a fork, I'm giving it a good shape. So I am going to bake these gujias. As a final step, we will grease them with milk and we will bake them at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So everyone in the house helped me make the gujias. That is why you see different sizes and shapes. I think that is the beauty of Indian festivals. The whole family comes together. I have kept the recipe and the shape of the gujia is really simple, guys. So do try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Until then, bye.